Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to see tertiary operator. Tertiary operator. Okay, so what it does, for example, if I am writing if a is greater than 0, see out positive number. See out positive. Else see out negative number. Now with the help of tertiary operator, I can also write it. So I will write something like if a is greater than 0, if this condition is true, see out positive. And if this condition is false, then see out negative. Okay, so this is the use case of tertiary operator. So how it works? So if this is my condition, okay, so this is my condition. So if the condition is true, this will be executed. So if the condition is true, this will be executed. And if the condition is false, then this will be executed. Okay, so if the condition is false, this will be executed. So this is how it works. So let's see some more example. For example, bool is even. Is even is a variable. So is even equals, let's say x is also a variable, integer variable. So if x mod 2 equals 0. So this is my condition. So if this condition is true, I will return true. And if this condition is false, I will return false. Okay. So you can also use this tertiary operator on the right hand side. Now what will be my output? Let's say x equals 6 and you are printing cout is even. So for x equals 6, so this condition is true. So my output will be, so is even is containing true, so my output will be 1. Okay. So let's write code to get a better understanding. So let's name it tertiary. Okay, so let us solve a problem with the help of tertiary operator. The problem is very simple. I will be given a number. Okay, so I will take a number as input and I have to print and I have to tell the user whether the number is even or whether the number is odd. So we have already solved it with the help of if and else. Now we will solve it with the help of tertiary operator. Okay, so let's do. So first of all, I am taking a variable int n. So cout enter a number. Say in n. Now if we are using tertiary operator. So n mod 2 equals 0. So this is my condition. So if this condition is true, what I have to do? That means my number is even. So cout even. and if this condition is false, then this number is an odd number. So cout odd, and that is all. Okay, so let's run it. So enter a number. Let's say number is 5. So my number is odd. And let's say my number is 4. So my number is even. So how it is working? So for example, if number is 5, so I will check this condition. So 5 mod 2 is not equals to 0. So this condition is false. So I will come here. Condition is false and I will print cout odd. Now if this condition, now let's say n equals 6. So 6 mod 2 equals 0. So this condition is true. Since this condition is true, I will come here. Okay, and I will print even. Okay. So if this condition is true, this is my true part. Okay, so this is true and this is false. Okay, so in short, condition, question mark. If this condition is true, what do you want to do? Then column and then false. Okay, so this is how tertiary operator works. Condition, then if the condition is true, what you want to do, and if the condition is false, then what do you want to do? Okay, so this is it for tertiary operator. Okay, thank you.